Hey guys, it's beccaboo here. Welcome to my channel. Today I have for you the MAC NICOPANDA collection. Well, not all of it. I just have a few things that I used today. So cute. I love this packaging. So when I first opened it, I didn't realize that there's something underneath. I thought it was just the quad of shadows, but if you push it, there's a little blush underneath. It's so cute. I really like the colors. However, this blue is not really that pigmented. That's disappointing. But I love the rest of the colors. I love the blush. Do have to be careful when you're like dipping your brush in. You'll see in the video. Also, these lipsticks, so cute. I mean, the packaging is quite large, but it's just so cute. Like, if you love pandas, like, they're so cute. I just changed my lip. Forgot to say, it's definitely a collector's type item. If you like the packaging, a lot of the MAC collections are like collector's items. Anyway, I wanted to do something a little bit different with the eyes just because there's two really dark colors and then two really light colors in this specific palette. This is the Preppy Panda full face kit. So if you want to see how I got this look, then please keep on watching. Alright, so going into the Preppy Panda full face kit, I'm taking the lavender shade. I'm not going to say these names, they're really long and confusing. So anyway, I'm taking this on the inner half of my crease, and then I'm taking the really pastel blue, which, like I said in the beginning, it's not very pigmented. I'm taking that on a fluffy brush and I'm placing this like on the outer half of my crease. So now I'm taking this black liner pencil. This one's from Urban Decay, and I am kind of marking out where I want this, I don't even know what to call this little detail here. And then I'm taking a liquid liner. This one happens to be from DECAY Black. You can use anything. And I'm gonna just like define the shape of this this detail. Now I'm gonna take the purple in the top corner on a very tiny brush, and I'm gonna press that on top and kind of feather it out, you know what I mean? This shade is the most sparkly in the collection, so I thought it would be cool to be over top of a black base. I'm coming closer. I will get you. Then I'm going to take my liquid liner and wing out that. Wing it out. I'm so bad at explaining makeup sometimes. Alright, so then I'm filling that in with my pencil liner, and I'm going to take another brush and start smudging out that line. Are you scared? So now I'm taking the navy blue in the bottom corner, and I'm going to stamp this on and also rub my brush back and forth over top of it. Now I'm sliding this open, and I'm going to take the blush shade, which is a really pretty color, and I'm going to like blend that over top of the navy blue so it has a more duochrome type look to it. So I'm just going to clean up this line with a wipe, make sure it's really nice and sharp on the bottom half, and then I'm going to take an angled brush and really make that point nice and sharp. So now I'm just taking more of the powder blue and adding that to the inner corner, and then I'm taking more of one of the darker shades and adding it right there to the outer corner of my eye. Finishing off the look with some House of Lashes Iconics, and this is the finished eye. Moving on to the face, I'm taking the beautiful blush color and of course adding that to the apples of my cheeks. And of course, when I wasn't paying attention, I accidentally dipped the brush into one of the darker shades. Alright, so this is my completed look. I'm not sure if I've seen this eye look before. I had it in my head and I was like dreaming about it, especially once I saw this palette, so don't know if anyone else has ever done it before, but like, I'm living. Let me know if you want me to use more of the things from the MAC NICOPANDA collection. I have the Prima Panda palette as well. I haven't swatched it yet. And I have the Tongue and Chic lipstick, which is more vampy, and the Dreams gloss, which is really pretty. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and I will see you on my next video. Bye guys!